What can you expect from top-quality soldering? JBC's high-technology stations will reach 350 degrees Celsius in only 2 seconds. The stations work with the JBC exclusive heating system, which recovers tip temperature extremely quickly. This in turn increases work efficiency and allows the user to work with lower temperatures. The sleep and hibernation modes drop the temperature when the tool is at rest. This means that a tip life will last 5 times longer. You can easily configure them from the station menu. Depending on the application, you can choose from over 400 models of cartridges of different shapes and sizes, which ensures an efficient temperature control. The quick cartridge extractor allows the operator to change cartridges quickly and safely. This saves time and thereby increases productivity. The station is designed to suit the operator's work position, and the anti-splash membrane prevents solder particles from dirtying the work area, which is kept